Hi, Ma'am and Sir. By the way, I'm Fatima Dadiel Paes. I am 32 years old and I am a mother of 3 children, ages 13, 7, and 2 years old. I am the eldest among the 6 siblings, and as of now, I am residing in the province of Zamboanga del Norte in the city of Labason in the Philippines. I am a 4 years college graduate taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Based on my work experience, I am working as a domestic helper in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for almost 2 years and 2 months. I completed my contract within just one employer. My employer composed of 7 family members, ages 58, 50, 28, 26, 23, and 16 years old. My main duties and responsibilities inside my employer's house are cooking, cleaning, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, and I am the one who serves when they have guests. I can describe myself as hardworking, honest, kids lover, independent, work under less supervision, and willing to learn new things. To my future employer, I promise to do my very best to make everything in order, and I will give a good service to each member of your family. Thank you and God bless.